Hi, I'm Alessandro Mattavelli. I'm an Italian consultant, and today I want to talk you about field parameter. Field parameter are a very important feature that appears in the last version of Power BI, and today we see an example starting from scratch, and we create a chart in which we can change the legends, and we go even to make a tooltip that is linked to the parameter. The result that we want to obtain is what I show you now. This is the result that we want to obtain. You see that I have a chart, a ribbon chart, in which I can choose if I want to slice the quarter from country, from discount band, from product, from segment, or even not to slice the quarter and choose all. And so I see the simple bar chart. Well, the other thing I do is the possibility to have a tooltip on it, and even the trend of sales and cost of goods, as you see now. Okay, and of course it works even on all. Well, let's start with the try a sample dataset. We load sample data, we go on financials, and we go on load, directly load data, creating connection in model, loading data to model, and now we have our financial loaded. And I add my data fields. For instance, I put date on x-axis, and I put sales on y-axis. Okay, I go for the best detail on quarter detail. To have this quarter sliced by country, I have to take country and put it on legend. If I want it sliced by product, I have to take product and put it on legend. But I want to give to the user the possibility to choose the dimension to slice, to use, and even the possibility of choosing the option to not to slice the quarter. And to get this result, we have to use field parameter. But before, we have to add a column, a very simple column. We go on the table view, and we add a column. We call it all, and we put with brackets all. It's a very simple column, a text column in which there is all. We will understand the meaning after of this column. Okay, we have finished to make formula. Now we go on modeling, and on modeling we have new parameter fields. And now I choose country, discount bands, product, segment, and of course all. And I create my field parameter. It creates even a slicer on the page. And I go to slicer setting, orientation horizontal, and even selection single select. Okay. And now I format this on the top of my bar chart. I enlarge it. Okay. Now I want to slice this chart by my parameter. So I go here and I put parameter on legend. And you see, just add our data labels, and if you want, even total labels as well. And you see now that I see them slices for country, or by discount van, or by product, or by segment, or if I don't want to slice them, I keep all and I say them just the bar chart. Of course, now I can choose my best visual. We can use ribbon chart. And of course, it works very well. Well, this is my sales page. I call it sales. I add a new page that I call details, that will be my tooltip. And so in the format page, I say allow use as tooltip, and even the canvas setting now is type tooltip, so it's small. I use this kind of visual, the multi-row card. I put it here, and I choose my fields. The first field, of course, is parameter, and then I can choose sales. Then I can choose COGS, cost of goods sales. I choose profit and units sold. Wow. And in this space that remains, I can put a very little line chart. Must be very little. So, very simple line chart in which I put date on x-axis, and I go on month, and I put sales and profit. Okay. I get rid of the title, go in general, title, and I even of the legend. I don't need a legend because I use series labels. Okay, great. Now I go on sales and I click on my chart, format my visual, general, tooltips on report page, details, and we achieve our goal. Because now when I go on segment, you see that it says that this segment is government, the tooltip tell me how much are sales, COGS, profit, and units sold, and even the graph show me the trend of sales and profit. If I go here, I say small business. If I change and I choose, for instance, product. I go here, you see that now I'm seeing past year, and I see sales, COGS, profit, and units sold. Wow, that's it. And that's fantastic feature of the Power BI. Wow, if you like this video, put a thumbs up. And if you want, you can subscribe my channel. See you the next time. Bye.